In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WPForms to HubSpot CRM. To get started, make sure WPForms is installed on your WordPress website. Log into your WordPress dashboard, then go to Plugins and select Add New. Search for WPForms, install it, and activate it. This gives you the form builder you'll use to collect submissions and send that data into HubSpot. Once WPForms is active, the next step is to install the HubSpot add-on. In your WordPress admin area, go to WPForms, then Add-ons. Use the search bar to find the HubSpot add-on, then click Install Add-on and activate it. This add-on is what allows WPForms to communicate directly with your HubSpot CRM account. After that, you'll need to connect your HubSpot account. Go to WPForms, then Settings, then Integrations. Find HubSpot in the list of available integrations and click Add New Account. You'll be prompted to sign in to HubSpot and authorize the connection. Once approved, WordPress and HubSpot will be linked, so your forms can send contact information where it needs to go. Now it's time to create a form or edit one you already have. Go to WP Forms and click Add New. You can start from scratch or open an existing form. Add the fields you want to capture, such as name, email, phone number, and company. These are common contact fields and they map well into HubSpot properties. With your form ready, open the form builder and go to Marketing, then HubSpot. Click Add New Connection and enter a nickname for the connection. This can be anything descriptive that helps you recognize it later. Then select your connected HubSpot account from the dropdown. Next, map your form fields to the matching HubSpot properties. For example, map name to first name and last name, email to email, phone to phone number, and company to company name. Accurate field mapping is important because it ensures submissions are stored correctly inside your CRM. At this stage, you can also choose what HubSpot should do with the submission, such as creating a contact, updating an existing contact, or adding the contact to a list. When everything looks good, click Save, then embed the form on a page or post on your website. To make sure the integration is working properly, submit a test entry through the live form. Finally, log into HubSpot and go to Contacts. Check that the test submission appears as a new contact or updates an existing one, depending on the action you selected. If it does, your WPForms and HubSpot CRM integration is successfully set up.